I'll be teaching you the fundamental skill of playing the C major scale. The fundamental skill of playing the C major scale. Why is it called C major scale? It is called C major scale because we pick our roots, which is Do, the first degree from C. If we decide to pick our root from C sharp, that means it becomes what? C sharp. If we pick our root from F, that means we are playing in key what? F. For example, picking our root from C, the first degree, Do, second degree, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. So this is the first degree, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, which is the octave. That makes it key C major scale. When we pick our root from C sharp, it becomes what? C sharp major scale. For example, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. So that makes it key C sharp major. For example, we pick our root from F. That means we are playing what? In key F. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, and so on. So anywhere we pick our key, we pick our root. Anywhere we pick our root, that means that is the key we are playing in. Okay, let's proceed with the key C major scale. It goes like this: finger 5, 4, finger 3, 2, 1. Then finger 3, 2, 1. Make sure you don't skip any finger. Descending order: finger 1, 2, 3. Then finger 1 comes up again and pass through behind. So, Do, the first degree, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. Then finger 3 to play the sixth degree, which is La, La. Then finger 2, Si, Do, descending order, Do, finger 1, Si, La. Then finger 1 we pass through behind to play Sol, Sol. Then finger 2, Fa, finger 3, Mi, Re, Do. That is it for the left hand side. Then for the right hand side, it goes like this: finger 1 to pick the root, which is the tonic, Do, which is the first degree. Then finger 2, second degree. Finger 3, third degree. Then finger 1 will pass through behind to play the fourth degree. Then finger 2, fifth degree. Finger 3, sixth degree. Finger 4, seventh degree. Finger 5, octave. Octave is simply an 8 notes. Descending order, finger 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then finger 3, 3, finger 2, 1, do, re, mi, finger 1 will pass through behind, fa, so, la, ti, do, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. This is your homework. Your homework is to play with both hands. To run the scale with both hands is your homework. Don't be in hurry to play. Carefully set your fingers. Carefully set your fingers. Re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, Thank you for watching. See you in our next class.